Hey, how's it going everyone? My name is Jose, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to install Ubuntu Server on VirtualBox. So first you might be thinking, wow, why would anybody want to do that? So I have a couple reasons here. And yeah, so the first one is pretty much my reason. So learning and experimentation. So on here I just try to learn as much as I can by putting a couple different distributions, seeing their differences, things like that. And then, yeah, another reason might be if you're a coder or a programmer, you might want to test something out on a Linux OS. Another one is flexible home and small business solutions. So with this one, you can set it up at home. Maybe you put your movies in a media like storage or something. And then I actually seen at one of my jobs Proxmox, which is a virtual environment similar to like vSphere or VMware stuff, where it's Linux based and it was up and running in a enterprise environment. So yep. And then virtualization benefits, right? So virtualization, good things about it, you don't have to buy extra hardware. If you have the resources for VM, go, yeah, by all means, set it up. And then open source advantages, right? So Ubuntu server, we can just download it from the website, which is free. So that's one of the main reasons why, or for me, that I think are the main reasons why people would do this. And then so let's get right into this post that I made, just referencing this video, stuff that I put together with the links and everything. That way, if you get lost in the video, you have a reference here. So the first thing is we want to download VirtualBox. So you'll go to their website, download whichever system you're going to download it on. So whether it's Windows, I'm Windows, and Mac OS or Linux. And then the next thing we have is here. This is actually where you're going to download the Ubuntu server image or the ISO. And here it is. You just click here, download server. It'll download. Thank you for downloading. And it should automatically upload. I already have it, so I'm just going to cancel here. And then another thing you can look at is the requirements for it, and just make sure you have the proper resources to be running it. Okay, cool. So then now we can go straight into VirtualBox. So once you get VirtualBox locked in, should look something like this. And then you're going to hit new. Then you're going to name it. So I'm just going to name this one my server. And then here we're just going to go Linux. Here you can press U. And then it'll go Ubuntu. And then hit next. And then here are your resources. So this is your RAM and this is your CPU power. I'm going to just leave everything here default. But if you're going to do something more, a little bit more resource intensive, go ahead and then increase it. And then here's the storage you want to give it. Here I'm just going to do 16. You can change it to whatever's available or what you think is going to be for your use case. And then hit next and then hit finish. And then once you do that, it should pop up right here. And then what you're going to do is settings. And then once you do settings, you're going to go down to storage. And then you see here this empty CD thing. You're going to go click it. And then you're going to go here and you're going to choose the disk file. Since I already used it, it's already here, but you can go here. These are all the images that I have. And then we're going to go here. You're going to click it, boom. And then you're going to hit OK. And then you're going to hit start like that. And then basically you're just putting in this CD in the machine. Cool. And then so if it pops up small like this, you can simply just do scaled mode. And then this is important here because it's going to take away the file machine, like this top bar here. And you can do host C, which is just your right control and C, and then it'll take you in and out of scaled mode. So it just makes it bigger. Then you can make it bigger if you want, like so. And it's going to auto select there. It's not the countdown there. And then it's just going to go install. It autos to that. And then here, there it is, a little bit bigger. Again, you can press Control C and it'll take you out of it. Okay. So again, yep. If it looks too small for you, just scaled. And then for me, that's the easiest and best way to do it. Okay. And then so now it's doing its thing, hitting all the OK haze. And it's just warming up here. Okay, so select your language, you just push enter, and then we'll continue without updating for now. And then here we go, this is the keyboard, and then Ubuntu Server, done. And then this is the network settings for you here. Yeah, if you need to change anything, you can do so here. We don't have a proxy address, so we just hit done. And then here, this is the configure Ubuntu archive mirror. If you use an alternative mirror for Ubuntu, enter details here. We'll just hit done there, keep going there. And then this is the part where you can select the amount of storage you want to assign. And here you see the 16 gigs right here. This is what we allocated when we made the initial setup of the VM, okay? So that's what it sees as its available hard drive space or storage. And then here, these are the partitions, and we're done. And then if this was like an old hard drive on an actual hardware or something like that, it will format that, and basically that means it'll erase or overwrite whatever was there. So we hit no, we hit, yeah, continue. That's what I meant. Here, continue. And then here, I'll just put user for here. And I'm just tabbing down. You can also just press down as well. And then your server's name. So we'll put my server again here. So this will be the actual host name of this computer or VM. And then we'll press enter there and then pick a username. So user, I'll just put user. And then password for demonstration purposes. It'll just be that. And then enter, and then enter. And then you can upgrade. I'm not going to do that. And we'll just go there. And then install OpenSet SSH if you want to SSH. We're not going to do that right now. And these are some software packages for a server environment. And then here, and then it's going to do its thing. You get to this part. Once you get to this part here and it's done, and if it takes a long time, it's probably just because of the resources you assigned to it. Okay. Anyway, yep, just reboot now. And it's gonna say this right here, but it does remove the mount, or it does unmount the CD-ROM automatically, and you just press enter. And yep, and it should start up. It's gonna go through all its OKs. Cool. And once you get to this point here, here we go, it's just doing its extra things. You can press enter there and then just put in that user name that you made, enter. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then boop, there you are. So once you get that part, you're fine. You can clear this. And there you go. You are logged into your Ubuntu server. And let's see, I don't think there's anything. Let's see. Oh, okay, cool. There's a few things, but nothing much. Okay. And then, so now you have your server. It's running. You can do all your things that you wanted to do. And test. Okay. Thank you. That's all I got for you. Let's see. Okay. Oh, that's me trying to do something. All right. Cool. So that's all I got for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and ask. You can reference also the blog post that I made. And yeah, have a good one, y'all. Thank you so much.